Solved problems on compound angles. The first problem, find the values of sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, tan 75 degrees and cot 75 degrees. So, already we have discussed in the introduction session itself only how to find out the values of sin 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, next tan 75 degrees and cot 75 degrees also. So, now let us write the values for the sake of revision. The sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, whereas cos 75 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and whereas tan 75 is 2 plus root 3, cot 75 is 2 minus root 3. Okay, now let us go to the second problem. Problem number 2. If 0 less than a comma b less than 90 degrees comma cos a is equal to 5 by 13 and sin b equals to 4 by 5, then find sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b. Okay. This is nothing but application of the sin of a plus b. What is the formula for sin of a plus b? Sin of a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. See, here cos a and sin b are given. Are these two values are enough to find out sin of a plus b? No. So, that means as cos a is given, we have to find out sin a. As sin b is given, we have to find out cos b. Then we can find out sin of a plus b, right? Okay. First, now here see, given that 0 degrees less than a comma b less than 90 degrees. So, that implies both a comma b belongs to the first quadrant, they lie in the first quadrant, and cos a is equal to 5 by 13. So, that means just take the right angle triangle, say this angle is A, we know cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse 5, 13, this will be 12. So, 12, therefore, sin A is equal to, we write opposite by hypotenuse 12 by 13, this is sin A. Now, sin B is equal to 4 by 5, again take right angle triangle, here say angle B, sin B is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, this is 4, this is 5, this will be 3. This one we can write cos B is equal to adjacent side 3, hypotenuse 5, 3 by 5. Now, we have to find out sin of a plus b. So, let us find out sin of a plus b. Now, sin of a plus b is equal to, what is the formula for sin of a plus b? Sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos A sin B Now sin A 12 by 13 multiplied by cos B 3 by 5 plus cos A 5 by 13 multiplied by sin B is 4 by 5. So, this is equal to 12 into 336 by 65 plus 20 by 65. Now, 65 is the LCM, 36 plus 20. So, 56 by 65, which is the required value for sin of A plus B. So, let us move to the next problem. Third problem, solved problem. Prove that sin square 52.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Okay. Now, let us find out left hand side sin square 52.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. Here we have the formula sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Okay. Now, here sin of A plus B means sin of 52.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees into sin of 52.5 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. 52.5 plus 22.5, how much? 52 plus 22 is 74, half plus half is 1, 74 plus 1 is 75 degrees. 52.5 minus 22.5, 52 minus 22 is 30, half gets cancelled. So, we have sin 75 degrees into sin 30 degrees. We discussed in the first problem sin 75 degrees. The value of sin 75 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 multiplied by sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, now let us multiply these two. So, we get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 2, 4 root 2. This is equal to RHS. Hence, it is proved.